what you need to say how noise-canceling headphones create silence out of sound. It's not magic, it's physics. Specifically, it's a phenomenon called destructive interference, one of several fascinating ways waves behave when they meet. Waves are everywhere: light, sound, even ripples in a pond. And when they cross paths, they don't crash. Instead, they follow a simple rule called the superposition principle. Imagine two waves meeting. Their individual heights or displacements simply add together at every point. They pass right through each other, completely unchanged. This simple addition has two powerful outcomes. If the crests of two waves align, they combine to create a much bigger wave. That's constructive interference. Think of two singers hitting the same note in harmony, making it louder. But if the crest of one wave meets the trough of another, they cancel each other out. That's destructive interference. Your headphones do exactly this. They create a sound wave that's a perfect mirror image of the outside noise, and when they meet, they create silence. This interaction is just one piece of the puzzle. Waves also reflect, like an echo bouncing off a wall. They refract, bending as they move from air to water, and they diffract, spreading out as they pass through a doorway, which is why you can hear someone in another room even if you can't see them. When two identical waves travel in opposite directions and interfere, they can create a standing wave, a wave that seems to vibrate in place. Pluck a guitar string and you're seeing this. It vibrates most strongly at specific frequencies, its natural harmonics. This is resonance, the same principle that allows an opera singer to shatter a glass. From the silence in your ears to the vibrating strings of a guitar, these fundamental behaviors govern the world around us. It's a constant, invisible dance of energy.